Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a brown sugar iced coffee. I have regular ice I'm going to be using to shake it up, as well as coffee ice. For my cinnamon, I'm going to be using my cinnamon syrup, fat-free milk. This is the one I have, the other one put up. I know I said in another one I'm not going to be using skim milk and stuff like that, but this is all I got, but usually I wouldn't. My brown sugar, I also made some brown sugar syrup right here. I used some brown sugar and some water and just a little bit, like a pinch of salt. But I'm going to be probably using some additional salt. But I also got the regular brown sugar to coat the top. It's just some iced coffee with some milk right here, fat-free milk. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm going to get started. You might see a little syrup down there because I had, yeah. Okay, I'm going to put this on my coffee ice. Got down my coffee ice. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my regular ice. It's half a tablespoon. So I'm going to put like of the brown syrup. 1. Alright, 2. Take my cinnamon roll, or cinnamon bun. Do like 2 of them. So just like a cinnamon roll. Alright, now I'm gonna put it in the coffee. So put the lid on here and shake it up. I think I should shake this up first. Shake and not stirred. I caught him. Literally. Because this almost fell in my hands. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of my cinnamon syrup. Just put it a little bit on here. Just a little bit. Alright, just go ahead and roll this. Shake on there. Alright, do the same thing. Okay, I took it out the freezer. I'll put additional ice. And I'm just going to pour my coffee in here. This look good. You know how you usually gotta stir it around and make sure it's in cup. This was already shaking, baby. Should already be ready. Oh yeah, also too, you know how I usually like to taste some of my coffee before I didn't taste this time, so hopefully it's good. Yeah, it tastes just like that cinnamon. I didn't need to have to put, that's why I didn't put cinnamon in it, because it's cinnamon enough. It tastes like brown sugar, cinnamon, and I can taste that salt too. This is good. And I taste the coffee. Now if I had espresso, yeah, because it would be more stronger, but due to the fact that I had the coffee ice and then I made iced coffee, it's good enough. I taste it. This is good. Now I don't know how the one tastes. I don't go to Starbucks anyways no more. It's due to the logo, the Sirens logo on it. And I'm not going to get into all of it because I know some people that will still go and be like, you're doing too much. It ain't that shit. Of course you would think that way. Of course you would think that way. Even some Christians, they don't think nothing's wrong with it. So I would not be, I haven't been going there for a while, but it's not even just that. Anybody who make, I still get iced coffee some places, but I've been making them at home now, baby. And it don't mean that when I go somewhere I won't get any, because I still will. But I just won't get it as much as I used to. But this is good, guys. Oh, girls. Oh, women or men. Make this. I ain't got nothing else to say about it, baby. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel. And I already told you, hit this recipe up. Have a blessed day.